Hello students, welcome to the topic of tool grinding for square thread, both external and internal. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to grind the angles of a square threading tool on a given blank for external and internal and check the ground angles with a protractor.
Materials and equipment. Grinding machine. Grinding wheel. Diamond wheels. Tool holders. Measuring instrument. Thread gauges. Grinding fluids. Process. Remove the excess material on the right-hand side to the required width and length by using a rough grinding wheel. Grind a front clearance angle of 6 degrees and an end cutting edge angle of 6 degrees. Check with a protractor and maintain to an accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree. Grind a right-hand side relief angle of 1 degree and a side clearance angle of 2 degrees. Grind a top rake angle of 6 degrees. Hone the cutting edge with an awl stone. Internal threading tool grinding. Prepare the pedestal grinder for grinding an internal threading tool. Remember, avoid burning of the tools. The cutting edge should be visible during grinding.
In this video, we learn about how to grind the angles of a square threading tool on a given blank for external and internal, and how to check the ground angles with a protractor. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.